Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can a lie detector test, that dramatic machine you see in movies, actually be used against you in court? The answer is a lot more complicated than a simple yes or no, and it changes depending on where you are in the United States. Let's break down which states allow polygraph evidence. The general rule across the country, in federal courts and in the majority of states, is a firm no. Courts generally consider lie detector tests to be unreliable and unscientific. They don't meet the strict standards for evidence, like the Daubert standard, which requires scientific testimony to be based on proven, peer-reviewed methods. The fear is that a jury might see the bleeping machine as a foolproof truth-teller and give its results way too much weight, ignoring other, more reliable evidence. But this is where it gets interesting. There's a huge exception to this rule, and it's called stipulation. This is the most common way polygraph results get into a courtroom. Stipulation means that before the test is even taken, both sides, the prosecution and the defense, must agree in writing that the results will be admissible, no matter what they show. If they both sign on the dotted line, then in about 20 states, that evidence can be presented to the jury. States like California, Georgia, Florida, Ohio, and Washington are among those that may allow polygraph evidence under these strict, pre-agreed conditions. However, there is one state that stands out from all the rest, New Mexico. New Mexico is the only state in the country where polygraph results can potentially be admitted as evidence even without a prior agreement or stipulation from both parties. Under their rules of evidence, a judge can allow it if the test was conducted by a qualified examiner and meets certain standards of reliability. This makes New Mexico completely unique in its approach to lie detectors. So, to sum it up, for most of the U.S., lie detector results are banned from court. In a significant number of states, they can get in, but only if both the prosecution and defense agree to it beforehand. And in the lone state of New Mexico, it's possible for a judge to admit the evidence even if one side objects. It's a fascinating and controversial area of law that highlights the ongoing debate between technology and the search for truth in the justice system. I hope this cleared things up for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video informative and want to learn more about the strange quirks of the American legal system, please hit that like button, subscribe.